Watch this. You can walk just fine.
No, man. What? Get the off. Send the police. Send the police.
Right here, bud.
Okay.
On September 21st, 2023, officers responded to a disturbance at a hospital. Hospital security informed them that a man in a wheelchair was refusing to leave the premises despite their repeated requests and was engaged in a loud argument.
Nothing holding him here.
Huh.
Now
He's upset that the police brought him here, so he doesn't have a way to get back to wherever he came from. However, she did offer to
take him back, and he told her to get the hell. He told her to get the hell away.
Yeah.
Who offered to take?
The Reynoldsburg cop who brought him as a courtesy said, "I will drive you back," and he said he didn't want to have nothing to do with her and to go away. And now he's mad because he doesn't have a ride, even though he let his ride, and he's annoying everybody. He's annoying everybody.
3:30.
OSU Waxonville. Are you still with me, man?
Hey, how's it going?
Are you OSU police?
Yeah, we're just gonna
Okay,
head
I
up.
will take that back to me, man. Listen, okay, I'm talking to. I definitely want to come with police with me. Yeah, I'm here. Wait a minute.
Yeah, just your.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll just head out this way. I'll help you out.
Okay, wait a minute. Well, I'm going to need Columbus, you putting me in the hospital?
Huh?
You putting me in the hospital?
No, I'm just taking you outside.
Okay, I'm still I can't walk, man.
Okay, that's all right.
Okay, well, what are you doing, man?
I'm just bringing it outside. That's all.
Christ,
Do you need to be in the hospital?
man, I said, boom, I want to sit here where I can sit down, man, and be medical staff around me, man. I have a seizure disorder, traumatic brain injury,
Yeah,
right?
I know.
And
Do you want to get
okay.
seen? Do you want to get seen?
In an act of resistance, the man rose from his wheelchair and continued talking on the phone.
I don't want you in the building unless you are here for treatment.
Man,
That's all.
this is going to be fun. I think we're going to the civility with OSU, maybe some,
We're just going to do the phone call outside. Yeah.
I'm right here. I'm standing right fuck here. That's that. I'm standing right here. I'm right here as always. Man, they brought me. I told them don't bring me to the hospital. I left okay, hold on. Right here, just a moment. Get back on speaker.
There's plenty of places to sit down outside.
Okay, man. I'm not going outside.
Why is it that you don't think you're going
Because
outside?
I'm there. I really because of one I can't walk. Wait a minute, officer.
I'll take us somewhere where you can look.
You seemed to walk just fine when you got out of that wheelchair and walked over here.
Man, yeah, please. Can you come back? Can you hear me? Okay, man. Basically,
Michael, I'm here. I'm not here
okay,
to.
I'm talking to the officer right now. I'm not talking.
Okay, you're talking to officer.
Basically, I'm gonna hold you out. The only hospital I tried to come to. Now, it might be a little civil issue going on with the OSU East Hospital.
Has he been treated,
It's
discharged?
It's just.
Was given a courtesy ride here at his request. Once he got here, refused to be
It's the only hospital I
He
go
offered, she offered to
And
drive
ma'am,
him
I
back
told
to
you.
where he was.
Is it an officer, officer?
Yep.
Okay.
He told her he didn't want to see her face ever again until leave.
Okay.
And then got mad that he didn't have a ride.
Okay, ma'am. Basically, they said they're not gonna make transportation back to Reynoldsburg Police Department here. They're talking about
That's fine.
that's supposed to me being kept at the hospital. It's not needed. I said I didn't want to come to the hospital. They brought me here anyway.
You need a ride somewhere?
I said, man, I'm going to get
You just need a ride
I was
somewhere?
going to get something. That's what I have to do.
Where would you like a ride?
I know.
Reynoldsburg. Where they brought me from. Wait a minute, man. Hold on. I got 99 officers talking to me at the same time. I have a seizure disorder, man. Don't aggravate me, huh? Okay, well, somebody's going to shut up for a minute. Let me talk to one person.
He wasn't ready to listen to the officers and continued talking over them.
Western Campus Hospital, man. That's where I'm at. That's where I always try to come to, man.
Just check.
Basically,
Checking on her.
I guess some of the... basically, we're not talking about getting me home now. When the Reynoldsburg police brought me here, that's what I'm trying to find out now. They say they're not.
I didn't say that. I just said
Well, this one little... Okay, well, man, but okay, well, first of all, man, it's not that you're asked to be hospitalized, okay? I was real couple months. I'm sitting talking to his ass watch right now. I'm just trying to avoid the situation, man. Okay, man. Can I pick up one of your phone calls, Sergeant, man?
No.
Have I have spoken with you before?
No.
That was about my future. I remember you becoming some aggravated, man. Can I speak to your boss? Okay, no, but I'm sitting right here talking to him.
Mr. Reed, you're done talking on the phone. We're going outside. Are you walking there on your own, or am I dragging you out there? Are you walking there on your own, or am I dragging you out there? So I'm dragging you there? Last chance to walk out there on your own.
You hear this here? It's all being.
All right, let's go.
I can't walk.
Yeah, you can. Watch this. You can walk just fine.
Get the off. Send the police. Send the police.
Yeah, we're here, bud.
Okay.
We're here.
Right. Yeah, I told them don't bring me here. Just say don't turn off. Leave alone. It's on my phone, man. No one. Please, officers. Please talk to the police. Please, send the police. Your help, man. Send the police. Send
on the line with Coleman Police. Hello?
Send the police. Do what you want.
Give me your other arm.
Oh God.
Put your other arm behind your back.
Okay. Hold up. Hey man, I have to get in. I told him don't bring me here. Yeah. Send the police. Send the police. Send the police. I told him don't bring me down.
We were going to give you a ride.
Okay. Yeah. I told them don't do it. They brought me here anyway. Damn.
Alright, sit up, Mike.
Send the police.
We're gonna have you sit up.
Send the Columbus police.
Here we go.
Send the Columbus police. Send the Columbus police. Jesus Christ. Oh man, I told him don't bring me here, man.
Okay.
I'll let
You want me to bring them?
Columbus bird back, buddy. Come on, you ain't gonna. Hey man, but you know something? It's on camera. All this is on camera, isn't it? All this being man, man, this shit I go through with Caesars, man. This shit I try to avoid, man.
Shortly after, he was transferred to the police unit.
Now, what you're doing is disrupting medical services to anyone else who wants to come walking through here.
I'm trying to get out. I told her don't bring me. You understand, man? I think they're gonna
She offered to take you back. She said
I said about my medication. What about my medications, buddy?
339.
They were sent to my primary care system. That seizure, man. Got where they were sent. Cell phone was dead. Couldn't call my primary care doctor's office. Find out where they sent. I said, well, I gotta have my. Okay. This is okay. Okay, man. I hate to do this here, man, but there's a civil issue, man. That's what I come here for, man. I told him I wanted us to stay. Get my medications. What? I haven't had my medication. I'm going somewhere.
Yeah, I'm fine. 339's fine. I'm good. He's arrested. We're gonna get him in a cruiser soon.
Okay, am I going to jail?
Yeah, you're going to jail.
Okay, yeah, buddy. You guys added that. I know this is on camera.
All right, you're coming up. Ready?
This is happening. Wow, God damn, I told him don't bring. This is crazy.
Yeah, my guy, I agree. For a grown man acting the way you are.
Man, you know something, man? Aggravated being sent to Twin Valley Hospital for coming out of a seizure fight. This shit happens, man. This is my records. So I got a traumatic brain injury. TBI network, right up the street here. Jesus Christ. I told them don't bring me, man. It wasn't a hospital issue. I think that needed
Lean back.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate that.